PTFS Knowvation offers a FOIA solution which includes e-discovery and search, case management, and automatic redaction of multiple record types. In addition, Knowvation gives you the flexibility to reuse existing applications, systems, and data so you can meet FOIA case processing challenges throughout your enterprise. PTFS is a small business founded in 1995, located in Rockville, Maryland, with 100 employees and over 550 customers. PTFS developed the Knowvation Content Services platform, widely used by many federal government and state and local agencies because Knowvation allows organizations like yours to find relevant information regardless of its source repository or location. Knowvation is the ideal platform to automate your FOIA requirements. In addition, PTFS is currently collaborating with the U.S. Air Force to utilize Knowvation and AI to improve intelligence classification and search capabilities.
PTFS Knowvation is a browser-based platform with e-discovery and search tools that support both search and browse to find datasets, images, maps, layers, and other documents. Our dual function of storing and indexing offers the user a one-search-finds-all solution, creating user efficiencies and increased productivity. The search tool is where you enter keywords or phrases to find what you are looking for, as well as full-text search capabilities, which searches every word of every page of every file in the collection. Browse is where you see your files are organized in a file hierarchy, so you can navigate your way through a folder structure to find your target file. Knowvation also supports metadata searching, either to initiate a search or to filter your hit list. Overall, Knowvation is easy and intuitive, combining geospatial, full-text, and metadata searching. Here is the full-text search box where keywords and phrases are entered. Two variations of particular interest to Nara include pattern search and a fuzzy text search ability that overcomes typos and OCR errors, as well as a concept search which expands your word or phrase into like words and phrases using a thesaurus. Here are the metadata fields that can be used to initiate a search or filter search results, and a base map can be used to initiate a search and display search results. Here we have an example of full-text search in pattern mode using Knowvation with Wandon in the full-text search box. I enter Wandon and hit enter. I will click on the first doc and open it, and you can see my keyword highlighted in the document. You can also see that Wandon has been spelled once correctly and misspelled once. Knowvation's pattern search got a hit on the word Wandon, even though it was misspelled. This is Knowvation's business process case management console. This can be used to monitor the status of all of your FOIA cases, including caseload, overdue cases, and cases by status. This view is customizable. For this demo, we will be responding to a FOIA request from one of our nation's worst natural disasters, Deepwater Horizon. Knowvation can automate the entire FOIA process, as you can see in this view. However, for our demo, we will be showing e-discovery, search, review, and redaction. In this view, the FOIA analyst has received a request for all lease documents regarding Bureau of Ocean Energy Management during a 6-month period. The analyst creates the intelligent search and, as a result, will receive multiple relevant documents. The analyst can view the documents with detail, thumbnail, or with metadata included. The analyst has the option to save the search, create an album of documents, or forward the document into an automated workflow for review and ultimately for release. In the following example, the documents will be reviewed for release to include redaction based on the FOIA exemption rules. This process will involve both automated redaction and semi-automated redaction.
The analyst is viewing a scanned image Knowvation OCR during ingestion, making the document searchable. On the left, Knowvation alerted the analyst of 3 fields that need to be reviewed for redaction: email, phone, and lease number. The lease number field is highlighted in purple to indicate sensitive information to be reviewed for redaction. To remove a redaction, simply uncheck the box next to the alert. The analyst has decided to manually redact the lease number. As you can see in the blue highlighted area, the analyst selected the manual redaction tool and selects the lease number field in the scanned file. The analyst is able to apply FOIA exemption codes by hitting the edit button. Next, we can scroll down to email and phone number, which is automatically redacted. When the analyst hovers over, the text window pops up to display a FOIA exemption code, which explains why it was redacted. Finally, the document is then approved for release. Once approved, the analyst has the option to add a comment to the workflow. The lease number was redacted with the FOIA code included, whereas the email and phone number was simply redacted. This concludes our 5-minute video. We will now spend 25 minutes for Q&A.